handled. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah.
All right, my friend.
All right, so are you taking off or what?
Yeah, I'm already home. Shit.
Oh, okay. All right, very good.
Oh, no matter bad ko no. I still love him. Pasala sa TV. Dali nilang lutuin guys, sa mga pang-almus lang. Noodles, no, just buy him
You want beef?
that with soup. That's with soup. This one he likes.
You want the one with the calamari?
Oh, without soup. And this
How many?
one,
Four?
Pancit Canton. Mine is, narito yung mga ano, yung pang-umaga or scaldo. Tapos, mga arroz caldo, meron na silang ginataang mais. I love this. Ginataang mais. Gusto ko itong ginataang mais, guys. Ayan. Kasi initin lang to sa, ano, lagyan mo lang siya ng tubig. Ito, arroz caldo. Ito, champurado pala to. Champurado. Ayan, iba-ibang flavor ang kunin natin. Tapos ito, munggo. Iba-iba flavor. Iba-iba arroz caldo. Titikman ko na to lahat. Pero kumain na ako nito. Ayan, so next. Ito yung mga
Put that in the freezer. Or is it jelly?
This one is ano,
Yeah,
pandesal.
ice.
Pandesal. This one yung pandesal for my breakfast. I have cheese, right? So I can put my cheese for my pandesal, no? I have cheese there.
You got cheese on it.
Yeah, I can put my pandesal na cheese. Ito ano eh, mango jam. Mango jam siya palaman, coconut spread. Ito coconut spread. Coconut spread siya, guys. Mga palaman, coconut spread. Ito, andun ko, masarap baka itong coconut spread. Kukuha ba ko nito? Coconut spread. Cheese na lang siguro sa akin. Hindi ako mahilig masyado sa matamis. Ito, bacon. Bacon spread. Kuha ba ko nito? Cheese bacon spread.
Chocolate.
Hey, do you think this is delicious bacon spread with the cheese?
Yes.
Kuha tayo dito. Ito lang ulit, check lang. Mga matamis na mga cake. Yan, So, okay natin. Ayan, mga paborito ni Nana. Ito, leche plan. Ito is pudding, ube pudding. Mahilig lang sa leche plan. Ito, masarap to. Kukuha ko nito. Ito yung may langka eh. Ito isa is buko pandan salad. Ay, gusto ko to. Tikman ko naman to. Ito isa ano to? Chicken pancit. Chicken pancit. Ito, buko. Ito, kuha rin ng pancit. Ayan. Pancit, tuna, tapos, ayan, buko pandan salad. Ayan. Ginamos guys, mga bagoong. Ito, mga kalamansi para sa rice. Ito, para sa lumpia. What you got it? Ilang mga, okay, bagong hipon. No, dahil kasi sila, so allergy ko sa ginamos, banotas lang ginamos. So, yung ginamos nila, allergic lang ko, lamig kasi sa saging. For my vegetables. This is yours. Where's mine? It's there.
I got magic
That's
syrup
yours.
right here.
Where's my basket? It's there.
Over there.
Magic sarap. Okay, magic sarap. This is pineapple mango. That one on madun.
You want some of these? How many? Yeah, she did.
One lang only mine.
What about him?
He eat that. You eat this, Tino? One lang mine.
Get two.
Ano? Just one. Or this one is more. May bawang na rin sila na yan. Yung paborito kong gulay. Para sa aking karne. Wow, mga lumpia. Ang daming lumpia. Meron silang siopaw, Meron din silang Goldilocks na dinuguan, pinapaitan, gulak bupis, pero banana lang sa akin. This is big. Meron silang turon na lumpia. Ito. Ayan, big na banana. At saka sito. But I don't need for now. What the other?
Already got to see two good.
Another Thursday.
Pero lang luto na. Pero busog pa ako. Ngang na, pansit. Mga budak, mga paborito, mga sister, brother. Ha?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just mga ice cream, flavor obi, piso taro, adorable deluxe cake, mais kiso ice cream, halo-halo, ice cream, makapuno, blanca, iba-ibang flavor. Ano siya? Bula. Ayan. Ha, dirampot ni Santino. Ano guys, balik bayan box. We're at the Walmart's grocery store, you know. Walmart. So Santino sa Makain Santino sa Kuan. Andun na. Walmart na tayo guys. Sa loob sa Walmart. Ay, may, ha? Ay, pineapple, yes. So which one the masarap? May pineapple, dapat ay pineapple. I think this one. Tapos ata yung chicken. Tapos ito yung papital siya na pizza again. Tapos shrimp tayo shrimp.
Took me 4 a day.
Ooh, 4 a day. 4 a day. So ground beef. I do you have now? I have now ground beef.
We got beef.
Okay,
Bacon.
so ito yung pang ano niya, pang breakfast niya. 4 pieces a day. This. I have yung ground beef. Tapos meron tayong avocado, dalawa. Ito yung shrimp ko. Meron din tayong broccoli. So ayun, meron din tayong broccoli nakuha. Isang pineapple. Green corn. Pero itis lang kasi wala kong nakuha ng broccoli. So, mga pang breakfast dito. Bacon. So, may nalak si Mike. So, Mike ng bacon. Oh, bacon.
They didn't have a big bag.
Oo nga. Ayan, bacon. Ah? It's moving.
It's moving this one.
Tomato kong malaki. Pineapple. Arrange movie, arrange. Wait to wait. Arrange natin.
You have a jacket.
Why, you're cold? I don't have a jacket.
Can I move now?
Alright. Yes, for my avocado. And this, mga snacks. Mga chichirya. Ang dami. Next, egg. Then butter. Eggs. Ayan mga milks. Ayan, milk. Cow milk.
How many eggs you plan on eating this week?
This one?
Yes, that yellow one here.
Alright. Okay, mga detergent is here. We have still some. Then, laundry soap. Oh,
See, Paw Patrol.
so meron tayong Coca-Cola tsaka shampoo ni Santino ang Coca-Cola. Vitamins. Spider yours, be? I think Spider is good, be.
That one.
Oh my
What cartoon is that, be? Let me see the cartoons.
It's so little.
Ah, kuan. Little creatures.
We'll
See.
get it for